So here's my 1999 Ranger XLT. It's a 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter. And I'll open up the hood, show you under there first. It's been running pretty good for the last year or so for me. 210,000 miles. But she's throwing a code, has a check engine light on. And I've tried changing out a couple things, and no luck so far. So I had to change out one of the coil packs, that rear one. It's a 4-cylinder, but has 8 spark plugs, 2 on each cylinder. Change out the spark plugs as well, and the spark plug wires. And throwing a code for the misfire on this cylinder 1, which is lucky because it's kind of hard to get to these back ones. Went ahead and did a compression test on the first 3 cylinders, and everything was real consistent. Just kind of hoping that that back cylinder is fine because it was pretty hard to get to. Leaks a little bit of oil and some power steering fluid, but as long as I keep it topped off, it's not too big of a deal. She starts up pretty good, except sometimes she'll run a little rough until she gets heated up. No issue there. You'll hear a little bit of catalytic converter rattle. Get outside. Just changed out the muffler. I'll show that in a second. And I need to change out the catalytic converter. Here's the cat. So not really sure what's causing this misfire. I'll unplug the fuel injector right here. Check the resistance on it, seems okay. So not really sure.